6, M, N and O are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 4:3:3. They admitted P as a new partner. P brought 40,000 as a goodwill in cash. New profit sharing ratio of all the partners decided as 1:2 is 1:1:2:1. Balances of goodwill in old firm was rupees 50,000. First of all, we have to write all the information whatever we have given in the question. Whatever is there in the question. So first is old profit and loss sharing ratio of M, N and O is 4:3:3, that is 4/10, 3/10 and 3/10. Afterwards they have given new profit and loss sharing ratio, that is 1:1:2:1, 1/5:1/5:2/5:1/5. After that we have to find the sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice is equal to old share minus new share. Sacrifice of M 4/10 minus 1/5. Here we have to take LCM, so we will multiply 2 multiply by 5 and here 2 multiply by 1. So 4 minus 2 upon 10 we will get 2/10. Sacrifice of N 3/10 minus 1/10. Again by taking LCM 2 will be multiplied by 1, so 3 minus 2 divided by 10, so we will get 1/10. And sacrifice of O is equal to 3/10 minus 2/5. Again LCM, so 2 2s are 4. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1. In sacrifice, whenever we will get answer in minus, it is gain for the partner. Afterwards we have to find share of goodwill of P. Here they are not given that what they have just told that P brought 40,000 as goodwill in cash, but what is the share of P we don't know. Okay, so share of goodwill of P, for that formula is goodwill of the firm multiplied by P's share. Goodwill of the firm we have to find. With the help of the goodwill of the firm, then only we can find that what must be the share of goodwill of P. So share of goodwill of P is 40,000 is equal to goodwill of firm multiplied by 1/5. Okay, here P's share is 1/5. So goodwill of the firm is equal to 40,000. If 40,000 is divided 1/5, then we have to do reciprocal for multiplication. So 40,000 multiplied by 5/1 is 2 lakh. So goodwill of the firm is 2 lakh. So goodwill payable by O. The partner who is going to gain, he have to pay the goodwill. So goodwill payable by O is equal to 2 lakh multiplied by 1/10 is equal to 20,000 rupees. So O have to pay 20,000 as his share of goodwill. And sacrificing ratio of M and N is 2/10 is to 1/10, that we have found, that is 2:1. Now distribution of premium of goodwill and share of goodwill of O. Here goodwill brought by new partner and gain, the partner who have gain, he will distribute his goodwill to old partners. So premium of goodwill is 40,000 and share of goodwill of O is 20,000. So 40,000 plus 20,000 is 60,000. Now this 60,000 will be distributed among two partners who have sacrificed. We have to distribute this premium of goodwill and the goodwill of the gaining partner in the sacrificing ratio. So 60,000 multiplied by 2/3 is 40,000. 60,000 multiplied by 2/3 is 20,000. It is 1/3. This 1/3. Okay, premium of goodwill and gaining partners goodwill we have to distribute among old partners in the sacrificing ratio. Now we will see journal entries. Journal entry in the books of partnership firm of M, N, O and P. First of all, we have to distribute goodwill among the old partners in their old ratio. Okay, old partners in their old ratio. In question they have given balance of goodwill in old firm was 50,000. So whatever balance is there in the firm, we have to distribute among old partners in the old ratio. So M's capital account 20,000, N's capital account 15,000 and O's capital account 15,000. Total is 50,000. 50,000 multiplied by 4 by 10, 50,000 multiplied by 3 by 10 and 50,000 multiplied by 3 by 10. Now second entry about a goodwill brought by new partner. So cash account debit. So premium for goodwill account credit. Goodwill brought by new partner is 40,000 and 40,000. After that, this premium of goodwill is distributed among old partners in their sacrificing ratio. Here we have to distribute premium of goodwill also and gaining partners goodwill. So premium of goodwill is 40,000 and gaining partners means O's capital account is also 20,000. This 60,000 will be distributed among old partners in their sacrificing ratio, which we have calculated here. To M's capital account 40,000 and to N's capital account 20,000. Now sum number 7. Sum number 7. B and C are the partners. D admitted as a new partner in the firm. D brought 50,000 as a capital and 14,000 in cash out of his share in goodwill 20,000. Okay, what they are told here, B and C are the partners and D admitted as a new partner. So D brought 50,000 as a capital and 14,000 in cash out of his share in goodwill of rupees 20,000. Now here first of all, cash account is total 64,000. D's capital account is 50,000 and premium of goodwill 14,000. Okay, here D brought 50,000 as a cash and 14,000 as a premium of goodwill. Total is 64,000. Now premium of goodwill is 14,000, but total 20,000 goodwill is there. From that he brought only 14,000. So D's capital account 6,000, to B's capital account 10,000 and to C's capital account 10,000. Means this total will be distributed among old, being D's share of goodwill is distributed among B and C in the sacrificing ratio.